look at 6.2, nets of three-dimensional shapes. 6.2.1 nets. The learning standard that we are going to achieve here is to analyze various nets including pyramids, prisms, cylinders, and cones, and hence draw nets and build models. Net of a three-dimensional shape is obtained by opening and laying out each surface of three-dimensional object to become two-dimensional. Okay, let's look at geometrical shape cylinder here. This is how the nets looks like when the shape is open and laying out by every surface. Next is cone. This is the net of a cone. Okay, next is square base pyramid. You will see a square base here and triangular shape here that produce pyramid. Next is triangular base prism. Okay, there are 3 rectangular shapes and 2 triangular shapes for triangular base prism. Do you know a cone is generated by the rotation of a right angle triangle? Okay, this is the example 1. Draw the net for the three-dimensional shape below. (6.3) Surface area three-dimensional shapes. 6.3.1 Surface area of cube, cuboid, pyramid, prism, cylinder, and cone. The learning standard that we are going to achieve here is to derive the formula of the surface area of cubes, cuboids, pyramids, prisms, cylinders, and cones, and hence determine the surface area of the shape. Fill in the box with the number of surfaces for each of the three-dimensional shapes below. This is a cube. This is a net of a cube. How many area of square for according to this net? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 area of a square. This is a cuboid. This is a net of a cuboid. How many area of a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 area of a rectangle. And plus how many area of a square? 1, 2. 2 area of a square. If you do 4 times area of a rectangle here plus 2 area of a square, you will get the surface area for a cuboid. Next is pyramid. How many area of a square? 1. This is this one. How many area of a triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 area of a triangle. 1 area of a square plus 4 area of the triangle will make the surface area of a pyramid. Next is a prism. This is the net of a prism. Okay, there are 1, 2 area of a triangle plus how many area of a rectangle? 1, 2, 3. 3 area of a rectangle. 2 area of triangle plus 3 area of rectangle, you will get the surface area of a prism. Next is a cylinder. This is a net of a cylinder. How many area of a circle? 1, 2. 2 area of a circle. How many area of a rectangle? 1. 2 area of a circle plus 1 area of a rectangle, you will get the surface area of a cylinder. And lastly is a cone. How many area of a circle? 1. How many area of a curved surface? This is a curved surface. 1. 1 area of a circle plus 1 area of a curved surface will make a surface area of a cone. The surface area of a three-dimensional geometrical shape can be calculated by adding all the surface area of the net. The surface area of a closed cylinder. This is the surface area of a closed cylinder. From the neck of a cylinder, the length of the rectangle is the circumference of a circle and the width of the rectangle is the height of the cylinder. The surface area of a closed cylinder is 2 times area of a circle plus area of a rectangle, which will be 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. This is a formula used to calculate the surface area of a closed cylinder. This is just a flashback. If you remember, area of a circle equal pi r squared. Circumference of a circle equal 2 pi r. Surface area of a cone is calculated from the cone neck. Cone surface area equal area of circular base plus curved surface area, which is pi r squared plus pi rs. You may look into your textbook for more detailed explanation how to get the formula. Let's look at example 2. Calculate the surface area of the geometrical shape below. A. The solution is surface area of a cube equals 6 times area of square. 6 times 4 times 4 equals 6 times 16 centimeter squared, which is 96 centimeter squared. The solution here, surface area of a cuboid equal 4 times area of rectangle plus 2 times area of a square. 4 times 4 times 7, which is the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is 7 times 4, and you have 4 rectangle, that's why you time it with 4, plus 2 times 4 times 4 here. You have area of a square, 4 times 4 for area of a square, and you have 2 squared, you time it with 2. The answer will be 4 times 28 centimeter squared plus 2 times 16 centimeter squared, which is 144 centimeter squared. Okay, in two-dimensional shape, it only has two measurements, length and width, which will give the surface area. Two-dimensional shape do not have volume. Three-dimensional shape has the measurement length, width, and height. Three-dimensional shape have volumes. Okay, let's look at C here. Surface area of a pyramid. Okay, in pyramid, there are 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. 4 times area of a triangle plus 1 area of a square, the base here. This is the base and this is the area of a square that we need to find. 4 times area of a triangle is 1 over 2 times 8 times 5. Okay, plus 8 times 8, area of the square. The answer will be 144 centimeter squared. Okay, surface area of a prism. 3 times base area of rectangle. There are 3 rectangles in the prism, so we time it with 3 plus 2 times area of triangle. There are 2 triangles in a prism, so we time it with 2. The answer will be 1 times 6 times 7, the base area of a rectangle. Okay, 1 times 6 times 7 plus 2 times 5 times 7 plus 2. Okay, here this is a area of triangle, 1 over 2 times 4 times 6. The answer is 136 centimeter square.